And he was targeted in a scam. A woman falsely claimed he got her pregnant with twins. And as Jim Murray reports, he may not be
since I became pregnant by The Bachelor.
With new developments in the paternity case involving a former Bachelor contestant. Laura Owens filed a paternity suit against Clayton Echard, but this week she was indicted for fraud by the Maricopa County Attorney's Office. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. For 12 News at 10, I'm Kariba Devine.
I'm Mark Curtis. Owens is accused of altering an ultrasound image, lying under oath, and fabricating a pregnancy video as part of her alleged scheme.
12 News journalist Bianca Bono sat down with Echard today to get his reaction to the indictment.
Just pure relief and excitement.
That was Clayton Echard's reaction when he found out that the woman who officials say faked a pregnancy and alleged he was the father was indicted.
I always held out hope that it was going to, I'd see this day. I always kind of felt it was going to happen.
In May of 2023, Echard, the star of season 26 of The Bachelor, shared intimate moments with Laura Owens, but says the two did not have sexual intercourse. Still, Owens told him she was pregnant with twins. Echard didn't believe her claims, but she filed a paternity suit and went public with her accusations. Echard said it ruined his life at the time.
I was completely, taken advantage of by this woman, and now thankfully the script has been completely rewritten.
Owens then said she had a miscarriage, but the family court judge ruled that Owens knowingly presented a false claim, calling for a criminal investigation, which Echard assisted in, providing detectives with his laptop.
It was a waiting game for me as well.
Now the waiting is over after a grand jury has indicted Owens on 7 felony charges, including fraud, forgery, perjury, and tampering with physical evidence.
The county attorney, that is about as scary as it gets. I mean, you're a couple decisions away from serious jail time.
The county attorney's office says Owens went to extreme lengths to manipulate Echard, claiming she altered an ultrasound image, lied under oath, and fabricated a pregnancy video. Echard sharing that video with 12 News.
They actually took that video and then was able to match it up with a YouTube video from like 7 or 8 years ago of an actual pregnant woman's ultrasound.
Somebody else's video that she claimed to be hers.
Yes.
In response to the indictment, Owens published a lengthy statement saying she was stunned, maintaining her belief that she was actually pregnant and had a miscarriage, saying, quote, "These charges appear to be the product of intense public pressure, not impartial judgment."
Her best chance right now is apologizing and taking a plea.
As for Echard, the battle he's been fighting for 2 years is now in the hands of prosecutors.
Does this feel like a chapter is closing for you?
I think this is one chapter's closing, but another one's opening. I truthfully believe that this journey was meant for me, and the amount of resilience it's given me, and what it's done, it's just bigger than me. So I really do feel that there's another chapter coming. What that looks like, I don't know, but I know I didn't go through this by accident.
Bianca Bono, 12 News.
Bianca, thanks.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. When it comes to Laura Owens, all that shit she was starting back when she was putting these men through it with her fake pregnancies and bull-ish. Baby, listen. When they say your day is coming, honey, they mean that. Now, her lawyer, her attorney, her legal team, however you want to slice it and dice it, baby, they said, F this ish, I'm out.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright then. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
I mean, she's standing up in that courthouse, baby. I don't know what Laura got going on. Usually it seems like on some older clips, she had more of a polished look to her. Right now, she looking like she has been through it, baby. She's looking like she is looking. That poor baby looked like Jan and Ron haven't fed her. And I'm not saying this because she is petite and because she is a thin woman. That's not what I'm saying. There's a difference between being thin and looking as if you are unhealthy and you got something going on. So what I'm saying is hopefully all is well with Laura because she got court to attend to in the early 2026. Now, I don't think that's a good sign that your attorney withdrew I don't think we found out the reason yet. I don't know the reason yet. But what I will say is this. How in the Sam hell do you and Jan qualify for a public defender? I thought y'all had that money. I thought you had a little coin. I thought you had finances to bury people in with your false claims when you were wasting the court's time and wasting the people's time down there at the police station. And now you qualify for a public defender. Well, I'm going to just say bless the heart of this public defender because, baby, I can't even imagine. I don't think a public defender can just, throw in the book and quit. Oh, my God. I feel sorry for whomever that person assigned to Laura and her foolishness is going to be. Now, that attorney better make sure that they didn't get too close to Laura, because I'm sure she got more tricks and more rabbits to pull out of her hat when it comes to people who tell her no and reject her. However, we don't know why the lawyer said, hey, I'm out of here. All right, y'all, let me know what you think about this. I found this out a couple of days ago, but, it took me a few days to tell you all about it. But other people have been reporting on it, so you already know what's going on.
For the state, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sandra Schutz with Coldstreet Law Offices on behalf of Laura Michelle Owens. She's out of custody and present, standing to my left.
All right. Ma'am, can I get your name and date of birth, please?
Laura Owens, 5/14/1990.
Okay, thanks. I did get the complex case management report. Then I also got Ms. Schutz's motion to withdraw. Ms. Owens, I know you wanted to appear here virtually, but now that the counsel issue came up, need you here in person to figure out what we're going to do moving forward. So what I'm going to do is I will grant that motion to withdraw. Ms. Owens, was your intention to hire another attorney, or how did you want to proceed?
Your Honor, I'm going to need to have a public defender.
Before you ask me what you want to ask me, ask yourself, is this some bullshit?
Okay, so I did review a previously submitted financial affidavit and reviewed my previous determination regarding indigency, regarding appointments of experts. I'm just going to affirm that finding. I'm going to appoint the Office of Public Defense Services to represent Ms. Owens. Ms. Schutz, you're going to be relieved of any further obligations in this matter. What I'll do we have a availability next week for a status conference?
Where's the article your week?
Well, that is Thanksgiving. How about the following week?
December 2nd at 9:10.
All right, so Ms. Owens, there's a little bit of administrative delay between my appointment and when they actually assign a lawyer. I'm going to set a status conference for December 2nd at 9:10. By that time, that administrative proceeding should have occurred. You'll have your new lawyer. They should be here to meet with you on that date, and we can discuss our future dates moving forward. There is a chance, though, since whatever lawyer gets appointed may not be available that day, that I might have to move that date slightly. So if you could give us your contact information, give that to my courtroom assistant. What we'll do is we will forward that to the attorney that is appointed to represent you, and also that way they can get in communication with you if you have to move that date. Got it? Okay, but December 2nd at 9 o'clock is the date you need to be here in person.
Okay.
If you don't show up, a warrant could issue for your arrest. All right, I think that's pretty much all we can do today, given the status of her attorney. Thank you. We are in recess in this matter.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Unfiltered Doll Reactions.
All right, Slash.
Oh, what you working for? Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't